Initially, the hospital admitted over 50 patients with symptoms of vomiting and getting cramps, but most of them checked out on the same day. Right now, there are still 9 patients being treated in the hospital. One patient was taken to the ICU, but now has been moved to regular care. Yet the patient's family say his condition is not improving since move out of the ICU. The doctor says that the patient fell into the water and choked by contaminated water, which complicates the treatments. Some of the other aides say they experience dizziness sometimes, and doctors say that could be due to their fear after the accident. For those who checked out, the hospital advises that they should return to the hospital if any discomfort returns. I arrived at one of the fishing villages near the accident site last night and also got close to the ship where the leak happened this morning. The village is only a few hundred meters away. People can still spot residue floating on the water surface. A diesel-like smell is still around, yet not as pungent as last night when I first got there. The cleanup is still underway, and it could take a month for the waters to actually freshen up and get the chemicals out of the system. The leaked chemicals corroded and destroyed many of the plastic fishing equipment, and the local authorities have warned people not to catch, sell, or eat fish from the region until further notice. However, at the moment, for the residue floating on the water surface, we're not really sure if it is the chemical leaked, which is the hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbons. Foreseeable losses are pretty sizable, and one fisherman told me that he estimated his losses into several millions of Chinese yuan. The Donggang Petrochemical Industry Company has apologized and promises to compensate. Yet, further investigations and evaluations are still needed, and no detailed timetable for that at the moment.